What is up, guys? Welcome back to the MixedSid channel. Today's cocktail is the Rattlesnake Cocktail, straight from the Savoy Cocktail. But yes, we are returning to the Savoy series because I've been wanting to do this one for a while, and it's a fun cocktail, and we'll get straight into it. So first, get your shaker and put some ice. I must mention on the sign up, thank you for all the support. We're on 244 subs, so we're getting very close to 250 subs, which is a small milestone. Thank you for all the support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid if you wish to see more cocktails, so thank you. Right, the first ingredient to go in, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounces of the bourbon whiskey. We're using Jack Daniels. Next ingredient is 7.5ml or 1/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Next ingredient is 7.5ml or 1/4 ounce of sugar syrup or simple syrup. So the one we use is more like a sugarcane syrup. And the next ingredient is 5ml or a dash of absinthe. Right, the last ingredient, guys, is 1 egg white. So just get your egg and crack it. So the reason we want an egg white, guys, is to get a nice foam on it. There we go. Right, now all the ingredients are into a shake. It's time to shake it a good 10 to 12 seconds because we'll get a nice big foam on it, a nice big foamy head. So, time to shake. Give it a nice hard shake. I should use a strainer. Because I've just realised I've used the wrong head. Right, for a foam cocktail, it's best to use a strainer instead of doing it straight from that. You'll get a better foam. Right, so get your martini glass and strain straight into it. As you can see, we've got a nice foam at the top of it. And the final thing for the Rattlesnake Cocktail is to garnish with a lemon garnish, a lemon twist. So just loose that aroma. There we go. As you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. It's a very nice garnish, and now I can't wait to taste it. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, the Rattlesnake Cocktail. How does it taste? Personally, I've always been a big lover of bourbon cocktails. I really do like bourbon, I won't lie. But it's certainly quite a smooth cocktail, that's what I will say about this one. It's smooth, it's very nice, it's certainly a refreshing bourbon cocktail. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's turned out the way I want it. It's absolutely perfect. But the next cocktail in the series will be a special one, as it is a leap year, so I think you can guess what it is. Straight, that's the Savoy Cocktail book. Yes, that is it. It is their leap year cocktail, and I will see you for the next cocktail video. But don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid if you want to see more cocktails like this. And I will see you for the next cocktail video. Cheers.